hungriness is a potential killer. Pay us now. A hungriness is a potential killer. We are dying. We are dying. A hungriness is a potential killer. Pay us now. Enough is enough. Is it a crime to be a nurse in Ghana? Nurses deserve better. Enough is enough. Pay us now.
We nya dia ya print mu ana bibi ya dwuma ya ye ehun tika ne ye yen ka say bia mo e busa na to mu ana ya dwuma 10 months 10 months oh eti as a man near more
ourselves, we are not able to cater for ourselves, not even a 3 square meal. All that we are asking is that the government should pay us now. We can't be on the wards and then advise patients to be eating at least 3 times a day to be healthy. Meanwhile, we ourselves, we cannot even afford 2 square meals. We need our pay. Thank you.
Very sad. The situation that we are in is very sad. These politicians have to be dead and that. Come back off this level. And you are saying that
it has never been heard before. Expired financial clearance. It has never been heard before. Yes, financial clearance doesn't expire. Whoever initiated it can bring it back to life.
Hi, how are you doing?
As you can see, I'm very hot, very hot.
Why are you hot?
Because the government are not paying us. We work for 10 months. Can you imagine? But we are embarking on this demonstration not to fight the government. We are pleading with them to pay our salaries to us, because some of us, we rent, some of us, we have kids, some of us, we are married, some of us, we have to take care of our families. Until yes, government and they say, because we were in the house for 4 years, and then hopefully by God's grace we were posted, and then after being posted we are not paid for 8 solid months. We are hungry. We need to feed ourselves, and then we need to feed our families as well. So we are in this purposely that the government should hear our cry and that hopefully pay our money.
For solid years. Who posted and so I see I must see a clearance clearance ni muso ankrofo agi pay nso e de nya 10 solid months me say me fear to me o me nyoma gu obi dem mekwa akwasisa just because I've not been able to pay my rent. It's muntia can for me fit takra de o tadi na we post ma to Buni East region teach my me comments them am say so kwa me book more than 3,000, but me nya profit be our one but you won't encow. Thank you.
We are hungry. 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 We are dying. 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 We are dying.
We are not slaves. We are not slaves. We are not slaves. We are not slaves. We are dying. We are dying. We are dying. We are not slaves. Pay us now. 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 We are not slaves.
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally, my rent expired in 15th August. I've not been able to pay. My landlord is always asking, when are you paying? I'll be like, they'll pay us. Please give me time. I stay at Spantine. I wake up Kolebu. I take transportation, 42 cities to work every day. How do they expect me to get that money to come to work? You go to work, doctors will write, check patients' vitals, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, do RBS, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You bath patients, you tend patients every 4 hours. I'm doing all this just for the minister to tell me that he appreciates the work that I'm doing. Appreciation, babe? I don't understand. Which form of appreciation? How can somebody work and you tell the person I appreciate you for 10 good months? I can't stand it. I'm owing rent. What should I do to be able to pay my rent? I don't understand. They should pay us. Enough is enough. I'm tired. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
They kept me rent at so 15. What the crowd? I don't know. You can't even ask somebody for money. The moment you test somebody, the person will be like, "You are coming for money," and the person will be giving you excuses. And then to be.
Posting 1 year near Yenchiamika. Midnight time, Crabesu January, me time Yenchiamika, me time this one, Menquada Hinfa. Yes, Ragana buying. Next year, Nipa. More wanting, you should show empathy and sympathy. I don't believe so. Be Juma. Nasa mini dear, Madame Asumesi, Madame Asumesi, now won't fee. Who wants a common ready any brand ever. Nana Sinina Kakasebi was the year less in you more than less in one dear. Yama, Menomia Papa, Yasram, Madame. I did any dear. Well, I want you so a candy breast, so yes, sir, I buy. What you say, can you want to now see a clearance and I aspire? It was we same as by clearance. And I am crop for be at your mocha. Yes, Rabbi. Sir Clarence now aspire. Yeah, I can't want me trying. Or revoke you. Near Popedjuman and Adam, Midamas. Tell your people ready to pay us our salaries. They should rather revoke our appointments so that we go home and then find something better to do. Because we can't be working on empty stomach. How do you expect me to reassure a client on an empty stomach? Where is the love to work? We can't work diligently when we are hungry. So we are pleading on the government. And then I want to give an advice to all of us. I do not want to politicize anything, but then there is this thing circulating. The moment it's about a nurse or a teacher, then you hear one part saying, Nyamine Chiayeka. All those of you saying Nyamine Chiayeka, congratulations to you, thank you. Listen to this scenario. Yes, starting school 2017. Mufam won't share your parents' issues. Imagine, since 2017, till now, as I speak right now, the NSS, Yanchiao. Mimi area, me and Pikachu me say because of Sikawe. Me and Pikachu is a man to aba. I should go and tell my colleagues I am to I enjoy. At someone, yes, I can mention his name. When I was and stop watching. Back to my MP.
He told you that?
Yes, he told me. He told me that. He told me that. Says he can't ma. That's the end to aba. Yen to I enjoy. Please.
2020 budget of nurses and midwifer. Almost year. Last year December, any this year January. I for the past 10-11 months. Not even a kubu. And we are struggling. We are organizing a whole said. We are coming to plead with the government. They said they should find any ways and means possible.
How has it affected your life?
In a whole lot of ways, especially one, my hair. Me being a lady, I'll have to take care of my hair once in a while. It's can it be new? It is a mini makocha.
There's no boyfriend.
By no way. By no way. And a bear and a crown on a crossing men. How do I feed myself? How do I pay my bills? If you're afraid to December, I'm a renter. Or to me, I make what I hear. Me quit my factors to the Maquajuma. It's a driver and me for day in Tianica. And then I'm in Tianica. We are struggling. Just say, Yana Kasana, we are health professionals. We are preaching balanced diet. Oh, eat well, eat fruits. They, how many me eat once a day? Now, man, me sure that there. And
We are not machines. We are not robots. We are human beings. The government should pay us. Even machines, they fool them. How much more human beings? They should pay us. In fact, we are suffering. We are suffering. The government should pay us. Hunger is killing us. When are they going to pay us? Before the money will come, we are all sick. Are we going to use the same money to pay for our medical bills? Please, the government should listen to us and pay us. They should pay us now.
Pay us now. Salary. Pay us now. We are hungry. We are hungry. Want our money. Pay us now. Pay us now. Pay us now. Pay us now.
It is a mini makocha. By no way. By no way. And a bear and a crown on a crossing men or men. How do I feed myself? How do I pay my bills? If you're afraid to December, I'm a renter. Or to me, I make what I hear. Me quit my factors to the Maquajuma. It's a driver and me for day in Tianica. And then I'm in Tianica. We are struggling. Just say, Yana Kasana, we are health professionals. We are preaching balanced diet. Oh, eat well, eat fruits. They, how many me eat once a day? Now, man, me sure that there. And yeah, what education am I giving my clients?
Have you engaged government enough?
We have, uncountable. And the reasons they are giving us is 1, clearance, 2, ghost names. Clearance, since you are not auditor, your colleagues. The same clearance auditor. So what do you mean by the clearance has expired? And a ghost names here working. Ghost names here, what system are we putting in place? And I was saying, you have to figure out why they are no longer in the system. So are you trying to tell me that what system that we're putting in place is not working? If your system is not working, why are you blaming me? Man, what do I have to do with ghost names? I'm not the one in charge of clearing the ghost names. So why are you punishing me if your system is not working well for you?
If you say, Mahama by what is hospitals, major hospitals I can say, because I'm a bar, and yet, and baby. Honorable callings down of why you never be me free hand so. If I say, bridge, I wahano, I don't know, yeah. But you never be pray, wash, and train pan, who because a higher village, out in the streets now. I ain't never be pray. Maybe I nurses for no, maybe a cross for your sin, a feed, dear, break the ends. I feed, dear, break the ends. Yes, simple. I feed, break the ends. Damn, and a half. Let's see, I feed, dear, break the ends. And that's what say, make a challenge say, I feed, dear,
Now, as I speak to you now, we're in 21-year group at home. We're in 22-year group at home. 2023 at home. And so
were employed was a 2020 batch, which is a major problem to government. So we are thinking through it and looking at how we can expedite action on their employment. There are two things we are doing. Government is looking at employing or recruiting some of you at the end of every year. We are also looking at how we can export some of you to the other countries who need this. About 13 countries have responded and we're in negotiations with them. And so we are thinking about that and we will think outside the box to find solution to this particular problem. Again, one thing we